Hi, next up in our PDF series is how to combine PDF files, which is also called merging multiple PDFs into one, or it could also be merging images into one PDF. Let's explore a few methods of doing this. Number 1. Combine PDF files online. The easiest option, and you already know it too, is online tools, so you don't have to install any software or pay for it. Maybe you'll see some ads along the way, but it will take 1 or 2 minutes to complete the task, so I think you'll survive the ads. Go to your search engine and type in combine PDF files and you get plenty of tools to pay tribute to Adobe. Let me try it out first. It says it is a free online tool, but it prompts me to start a trial of Adobe Pro by entering my email and credit card, which I should then cancel before a 7-day period. Forget it. Here's a properly working free PDF merging tool instead. Small PDF. The interface is to the point. The only starting action is to choose files, and I've got 2 test files just for this review. Now uploaded. I can select between file mode and page mode, which is also convenient. Say I'd like to remove this one page with a short piece of text. Then click merge and here's my newly created file with both documents in it. Then I can download it as is or compress it. Easy and helpful. All other online PDF tools work under the same principle: upload files, merge, download. For example, combine PDF, which is a single action service as we see, and that's good. Here you can upload up to 20 PDFs or images and rearrange their order before merging. Let's take another one, I love PDF. Select files, rearrange simply by dragging files around, add more files or remove any, then click merge. In a moment, you get a new combined file downloaded to your default download folder automatically. Or you can also save it directly to Google Drive or Dropbox. You already see how simple it is, but let me highlight 1 or 2 more. PDF merge, same workflow, up to 20 files, ability to change the order. I'm adding 4 files to check and clicking merge. But this one seems to take a while, so let me get another one in the meanwhile. Zodo is also a bit slow, yet working alright. 4 files combined and identification about 1 action per day only, similar to Adobe. Okay, one more. PDF to go. All the same, upload, rearrange, save. Additional options choosing the size preset, A4, A3, A5, etc., which could also be handy. Bottom line, great variety, quick and free. Number 2, combine PDF files in Windows OS. And the second option is software. This is better when you don't have access to the internet. Most probably you've got Windows OS, and in Windows 10, for instance, PDF files are by default open in the Edge browser. One can view but cannot manage, split, combine, or do anything with them. To merge PDF files in Windows, you'd need a desktop application, free or paid, for PDF management, like Adobe Acrobat. Such PDF reader applications typically have a feature that allows combining several files into a new one. The obvious example would be Adobe Acrobat. If you open it and go to File and there Create, from its submenu, among options like Create PDF from File, from Scanner, from Web Page, from Clipboard, you will find combine files into a single PDF. From there, it is the already familiar sequence. Add files, review, add more or delete some. Explore settings and click combine on the top right. We get a new PDF called Binder 1, or any other PDF app, like maybe PDF Exchange Editor, which I also have installed. Same, you'd go to File, New Document, and select combine files into a single PDF. Then add multiple files. It could be PDFs, text files, images, Word, Excel files, and you click OK. You get a new document PDF with the contents of both files. Simple. Or it may either be a small third-party application designed specifically for a single task of merging, splitting, resizing, compressing PDFs, etc. For example, this little PDF binder utility you can freely download from the web. It only does one thing, and therefore it is tiny in size. Launch it, add files, click Bind, enter name for a new file, and it is done. Combine PDFs on Mac. Mac users have the advantage over Windows users in regard to PDF related tasks, as Mac OS comes with decent PDF tools both in Finder and in the Preview app. If you've got 10.15 Catalina from 2019 or newer, you're in even more luck since there is no need to install any additional software. How so? Let me show. In Finder's gallery view, select multiple PDF files, bring up a contextual menu, go to Quick Actions and then Create PDF. Done. Moreover, you are not limited to PDFs only. The same can be done with images, PNGs, JPEGs, TIFFs. Just select the ones you need, click Create PDF, name it as you like, and you've got a newly created PDF to start working with. The same neat trick can also be performed by holding down the Command key, selecting the files, setting their order, and then as the Create PDF button appears in the Inspector panel at the right, clicking it to finalize. A new file will appear on the desktop. Alternatively, users may install a Mac version of any PDF viewer reader app mentioned previously, such as Exchange, Nitro, Acrobat, Wondershare, Foxit, Skim, etc. This way it could be better than you're working with PDFs often. Merge PDFs on mobile phone. Now, what if I'm working with PDF files on my smartphone? Is it possible to do the same action to combine multiple files into one there? Surely, get a PDF reader view app. As you may know from previous videos, I use I Love PDF. Let's see, as I launch it, I immediately see the most recent files displayed, which are my 2 test files for this review. Then I go to Tools to see my options. All the basic and frequently requested actions are covered by I Love PDF. That's why I like it. I can split, compress, convert, edit, rotate, sign, and of course I can merge files, which is the first feature on the list. So I click Merge Files, I find my test files in the Downloads folder, select the 2 files by short tapping and click Next. Now I can also drag and rearrange the order before merging. Here's my new file called merge.pdf. The task went seamlessly and fast. Obviously, you're neither bound to this one app only, nor I'm pushing it on you. Pick whatever you like, and luckily there are many. For example, if we visit the Play Store and type in merge PDF files, we see dozens of various apps: PDF scanners, PDF makers, PDF editors, PDF mergers and splitters, and so on. Here as well, Adobe Acrobat cannot be downloaded as it is actually in the top 10 of all free productivity category apps and has over 500 million installed so far. 4.7 rating too, by the way. But the choice is always yours. Combine JPEG to PDF. Finally, there's one more popular user search, and that is combine JPEG to PDF. It is related both to conversion and merging, since all the same online PDF converters are capable of converting multiple files at the same time and merge them in one PDF. Let me demonstrate any 3 tools that will be enough. JPEG to PDF, as simple as it gets. Upload files, drag to position in order, download. You get an editable PDF with those images to start with. Small PDF, the same, plus you can set portrait or landscape and margins too. Convert and download, no problem. And let me try Xconvert, just as something different. Add files, configure some settings on the right panel and click Merge. Working well, albeit the UX part seems a bit dated, but there's a rich choice. Either have better design or better speed, so choose your own adventure, as they say. Wrap up. So here we are. The task of combining multiple PDF files into a single one is quite simple to complete these days with a variety of options. If you encounter trouble or errors with any of the methods I've covered, please leave a comment below. Goodbye.